Good morning, futures traders. This is David on September 1st, Thursday, 2022. The time is 8:46. We're getting going here a little earlier. Let's see what the software can do. Yeah. Okay, so we're in this area here. Yeah, a lot of activity there. So if it's going to come down, it's going to come down to here. No, it's right at it. A little bouncy. Yeah, it's going up.
Order filled.
All right.
Order canceled.
It's going to run down for once. It just keeps coming back. Take you out and then go back down to 88, 87, 86. Come on. Make a run down. Flush it out. 88. Come on. The 90s are up there.
Order canceled.
I don't like how it's bouncing right up in there.
Order filled.
Pop it.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
It's going to be short-lived, I have a feeling. Yep.
Order filled.
Pop it. One more. 86, 86. Come on. 85. I want to see some 85s.
Order canceled.
Yes.
Order canceled.
We're calling that good. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, definitely calling that good. I do not care with the bounces. Bounces are horrendous. It's not stable yet. I mean, it's the software's more than able to get to it, but you got to know when to cut and run. So it looks like I made 367. Let's okay, 8,732 minus the 367 commissions. So 8,300. 100% was really quick. I mean, 266,000 on pace this month. That's good enough for me. See how it's bouncing back up? Screw that. That is a nice balance there. Yeah, now it's coming down some more, but screw it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep making the videos.